Why people don't respect you even when you are being nice, even when you are doing everything right. Some people don't respect you, and the worst part is that you've been doing everything right, you've been doing everything within your power to please them, but they will not respect you. You are nice, you are helpful, you try to be there for people all the time, but they will still not see reason to value you. So why does it feel like people still don't value you after all these sacrifices, after everything you've done for them, after your support and your help? Why does it still feel like people don't value you? But here is the truth you don't know. Being nice is not the same thing as being respected. They are two different entities. Being nice and being respected are two different things. And once you understand this, everything starts to make sense to you. Everything starts to make sense to you. You start seeing clearly. Let's start with this. You always say yes. You say yes too often, which is very, very wrong. Whenever someone asks you for something, you agree. You don't think. You just agree to it. Even when it's inconvenient for you, even when you don't feel like it, you just agree. At first, it feels like you are just a good person, but over time, people start expecting it. At first, you are doing it like you are a good person, you are trying to, okay, be a nice person to them, give them things and all of that. Very soon, people start expecting it from you. And when something becomes expected, it stop being appreciated. You should understand, when something becomes expected, it stop being appreciated. Now, here is where it gets worse. You avoid conflict. You avoid conflict. Anything conflict, you avoid it. You don't speak up when something bothers you. You let it slide because you are avoiding conflict. You are avoiding problem. You don't speak up when something bothers you. You stay quiet because you want to keep peace. Yes, you stay quiet because you want peace. You don't want conflict. And you don't want anything to bother you. You stay quiet. But what you call peace is actually silence. Yes, what you call peace is actually silence, but you don't even know. And silence teaches people something dangerous. Yes, silence teaches people something dangerous, very, very dangerous. It teaches them that they can cross your boundaries without consequences. Yes, they can do things to you and you will not do anything to them. It teaches them to cross your boundaries. That is what silence does in people's life. So they keep doing it. It's not because they are bad people. Yes, they keep crossing your boundaries not because they are bad people, but it's because you never show them where the line is. You refuse to show them where the line is. Now pay attention to this. This is very important. You are always available. No matter the time, no matter the situation, you are always available. You reply them instantly. Maybe they chat, you reply instantly, and you show up immediately whenever you are needed. And it feels like you are being reliable. Yes, it feels like you are being reliable. But the thing is, in reality, you are removing your own value. Yes, you are removing your own value and you don't even know. Because people value what feels limited, but not what is always there. They value what is limited, not always when you are available. They don't value you. Now, let's talk about something most people ignore. Yes. You don't take yourself seriously. You don't take yourself seriously. You downplay your achievement. You play about your own abilities. Yes, you don't even understand yourself completely. You make yourself smaller so that others feel comfortable. But here is the problem. If you don't take yourself seriously, then why should someone else take you serious? Do you know that respect starts with how you present yourself? The way you dress is the way you be addressed. So respect starts with how you present yourself to people. You should know that. Now listen very carefully. This is where everything connects. You know that respect is not all about being liked. You can be liked and still be disrespected. Yes, you can be liked and still be disrespected. But when you are respected, people think twice. They think twice before crossing you. Why? Because you've already set boundaries. You've created value for yourself. So they think twice before crossing your path. They listen when you speak. They value your time and they also recognize your presence whenever you're around or whenever you want to talk. They pay clear attention to you. And that doesn't even come from being nice. It comes from boundaries, setting boundaries and setting value for yourself. Also, it comes from saying no when something don't feel right. You don't have to accept every condition given to you. So you say no when something doesn't feel right to you at all. It also comes from standing your ground even when things seems very uncomfortable with you. You stand your ground, you never change your mind. And most importantly, it comes from valuing yourself first. You must value yourself first before other people will value you. Because the way you treat yourself, that is exactly how people learn to treat you. Yes, that is the way people also treat you. So if you constantly put yourself last, you ignore your own needs and you accept anything at all, people will do the same to you. Yes, people will do the same thing to you. It's not because they hate you, but because you show them they can. Yes, you've already shown it to them, so they will do the same to you. Now, think about your life. Yes, think about your life now. Where are you saying yes when you should be saying no? Where? What is happening to you that you are saying yes to instead of saying no? Where are you staying silent when you should be speaking? Where? What is happening to you that you need to speak but you refuse to speak? You are staying silent because that is where the problem starts and that is also where the problem ends. So why are you not speaking? What is happening to you that you are keeping quiet instead of speaking out? But the moment you start seeing boundaries, everything changes. Yes, everything changes and not everyone will like it. But the right people, they will respect your decision, they will respect your stand and they will value, they will respect it. And that is what actually matters. Yes, that's what actually matters. So thank you so very much for staying with me to the end of this video. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe, turn the notification bell so that next time whenever I drop a video like this, you'll be the first person to catch up. So thank you and see you. Bye.